Ibhola lethu ibhola lama-Hotman nama-Sister elomzansi namaphethelo 3 Bafana Bafana nil Rwanda. On the other game 4 Nigeria not Benin. That automatically give us qualification ukuthi siyaya ku-World Cup next year lapha e-America, while i-riding i-Nigeria will stand a chance ukuthi idlala ama-playoff and see if they can also qualify as the second best. Ngiphethe uyaya uniform yakho yesquad mfana iphelele shuthi lento izwe
Ah.
egazini. Ukred.
Ngimnandi.
Mnandi mfana. Before we get into igame yaFandag nja yami, did you give Hugo Broos a chance, Vandag, ukuthi is gonna make things happen? Because we saw we lost Mbogazi on the previous game, we lost Mfukeng, we lost Uraiding Foster, and on the other day we got points to deducted. Like it was difficult. Did you give Hugo Broos a chance in Fandag qualify?
Yeah, uMadala i-chance benginalo ithemba benginalo since ubona nje ngishaya ne-attire nje ukuthi hey Mzansi rikawufela uBruce ngimgayile i-chance because uMadala washo wathi if I don't qualify for iWorld Cup ningibulale ma-South Africans. So i-chance bengibehind yena even though lapho nalapho enokushamanta ama-mistake wakhe uMadala, kodwa mawubheka igame yethu nento neZimbabwe we were unfortunate nje ukuthi singakori asiconvictanga ama-chances wethu. So coming to igame yaFandag bekuqedezela nje span lesi besiluke sisenza throughout into ama-group stages wonke, cause all of ama-games ama-group stages sidlalile and siperforme kakhulu. Nakwigame yeZimbabwe siperforme kakhulu. Even today we scored amagoli early kusho ukuthi besilambile siyayifuna lento le. So uMadala bengimthemba.
Sure. Talking about ukora mfana, igame laFandag libone kanjani given ukuthi we scored an early goal showing ukuthi we hungry for this? Uyibone kanjani nje igame yaFandag?
Yeah, iqala nge-lineup because I think kube nama-changes nje amancane kwi-lineup yegame yento yeZimbabwe. So namhlanje uMadala beke-attacker bekusho ukuthi we needed ama-goals. So i-approach yethu bekukora at least sithole into ama-goals early, then sizokhona ukuthi siqhubeke ne-game right, i-confidence ibe phezulu. So yinto esiyenzile. I think igoli lokuqala silikore 5 minutes igame eqalile, so lonto yabooster nento ne-confidence sathola igoli los-2. So yeah. Bekunjalo nje.
And then whilst besiqeda ukukora we saw riding uMatrapa uMorena alimala laphayana, and then it was a bit of a scare sazi ukuthi so replace ngobani, but uNkotha came in wabonisa i-character. What did you think of that early sub?
Yeah, technical changes singasho kanjalo cause uthole injury unto uMorena, but then ibench lethu beli-rich.
Sure.
Beli-rich because you have unto uNkotha, you have uMoremi. So beli-right besiglad
sure.
Bengeke ukuthi nje sithukile nje besi-fresh besi-right, ibench lethu beli-right. Ibench belingaswinela nane-game.
And also it means a lot mangabe ama-riding ama-team wase-South, rather i-league South Africa, if it's doing well and there's teams ayenza grand, because we know ukuthi the time Sundowns was doing great rubber off to his squad, and we saw Pirates Vandag riding this season perform, and it's rubbing off to his squad because we saw Mbata score the first goal, and then Apolis got the second one. Umbone kanjani uApolis nje Vandag?
Man of the match, I deserve Apolis man of the match. Then siqale into credit siguy into iPSL as a whole. Iron Duke mele simgama flowers wakhe, cause you look at into i-lineup yanamhlanje, it's only local players. So into ebonisa ukuthi i-role edlalwa iPSL. So ukuza ku-Apolisa hey beke on and when is on song uzokwenzela isipano wapolice. Yeah.
So he's our man of the match today. And then uRonwen Williams ngeke sithi usipane kakhulu, but then they were also complaining about Cupido that was selected bamfake at a later stage, but our main striker Van Dijk beku Khopas, and he gave us the header that we needed and the confidence with bafethu ne5 isengayishaya la. Ubone kanjani uKhopas?
Yeah, naye Khopas igame yakhe ishintshe kakhulu game kaKhopas, cause uKhopas ukuzela ne-dimension enye i-hold up play yakhe i-good i-hold up play kanto kaKhopas, so uyakhona ukuthi athathe ama-defender ifocus ibe kuye, then ama-wingers wethu ayakhona ukudlala, number 10 yethu yakhona ukudlala, we saw uNtumbule the way bekedlala ngakhona. So uMakhopa bekesegamini beke right. As for Cupido, ngisakhala ngoCupido, even though ethola ama-minutes amancane ngisakhala ngoCupido, angikho ngaye man.
Okay mfana, sengayidonsisi kakhulu kuyena. We saw ukuthi i-riding njengoba ukusho ukuthi isquad besidlala Van Dijk it's 100% local. So yes. Going to the i-riding i-World Cup, do you think we should keep most of ama player bewadlala lana singaloku sidonsa abantu abafera?
Yeah, indlela uHugo ekesebenza ngayo, Hugo uspana ngabantu like le squad lesi into ekeyibuildile from ukuya kwi-CAF lebe sidlalile, it's more of same players beyidlala kwi-CAF, bafiwa amajita afikayo kule squad lesi. So uHugo akachange kakhulu, so I think uzoqhubeka ngalamajita la ekibekedlala ngawo, then seke nga-add ngalawo nalawo. It will depend ukuthi who's available, ubano injured, who's on form, yabo into ezinjalo. But then yena kusumuntu oshaya ama-chop and change, usticka kwinto ekeyifuna ukuyenza yena. So uyibuildile i-team for i-World Cup, washo ukuthi uzobuild i-team for i-World Cup, and i-team yakhona uyibuilda ngani? Uyibuilda ngama-youngsters. We only have few abantu abadala singathi bane experience.
Sure. Sesayivala mfana, my last question, ngiyacava ukuthi uMasterChef wasn't part of i-riding plan ka Hugo Bros before ngama earlier stages mabazo qualify, but late is a huge part of i-riding isquad saka Hugo Bros. Yambona udlala i-90 Van Dijk. Are you saying he's the player mele nayo ibe khona na kanjani ku-World Cup?
Yes. If uyakhumbula uHugo washo wathi we need into i-replacement ka Shikabala umshishi.
Sure.
So uyitholile manje. If singaba nomshishi o injury free, sibe no MasterChef o injury free, then lapha e-USA bazozwa ngathi lapha siyopheka lapha e-USA.
Quarter final semi siyafika.
La 16 siyafika, then quarter singafika nje. Abalethe noma ubani egroupini thina si-ready. Siyaya e-USA, siyaya phakathi ngebosho.
Ipola lomzansi namaphethelo, keep liking and subscribing. Siyakuthanda mafethu.
Anko.